What's going on, everyone? So, you want to make money online? I'm talking about passive income, and one of the best ways to do that is with affiliate marketing. Specifically, using Amazon's affiliate program paired with the power of Pinterest. You basically get people to buy stuff on Amazon through your special link, and you get a cut. And when you pair it with Pinterest, a visual platform people use to discover ideas, you can build a system to earn passive income. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to make this work for you. Here's a simple guide to get started. Alright, first things first, you need to get signed up for Amazon's affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associates, and it's completely free to join. Just head over to their website, click on the Become an Affiliate link, and fill out the application. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your very own affiliate dashboard. You can search for any product on Amazon and generate a unique affiliate link to that product. This is the link you'll be sharing on Pinterest. Now, before you go wild and start pinning everything in sight, it's super important to understand Amazon's terms of service. Read through their guidelines carefully to make sure you're in compliance and avoid any issues down the road. Now let's talk about choosing the right products to promote. It's super important to pick a niche, something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This could be anything from home decor and kitchen gadgets to tech gear or fashion accessories. Look for products with high ratings, positive reviews, and a decent price point. You want to make sure you're promoting stuff that people actually want and will be happy to buy. Look at popular boards in your niche, check out what other people are pinning, and see what's getting a lot of engagement. This will give you some great ideas for products that are in demand. Now that you've got your Amazon affiliate account and a list of killer products, it's time to set up your Pinterest game. If you don't already have one, create a Pinterest account and switch to a business account. Make sure your profile is on point. Use a clear, high-quality profile picture and write a bio that tells people what you're all about. Next up, enable rich pins. They automatically pull in information from your website or Amazon listing, making your pins look super professional and clickable. Plus, they help with SEO, which means more people will see your pins. Alright, here's where the fun starts. Designing your pins. Pinterest is all about visuals, so you need to create eye-catching pins that stop people in their scroll. Canva is a lifesaver. They have tons of free templates and design elements that you can use to create professional-looking pins in minutes. Use high-quality images. Blurry, pixelated images are a big no-no. Add a clear call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. Click through to learn more, shop now, get the recipe, whatever it may be, make it crystal clear. Don't underestimate the power of a killer pin description. This is your chance to draw people in, give them more information about the product, and convince them to click through to your affiliate link. Use relevant keywords. Think about what people would search for on Pinterest to find your product and sprinkle those keywords throughout your description. Be detailed and specific. Don't just say this dress is cute. Tell them what makes it special. The flattering fit, the soft fabric, the vibrant color. And of course, don't forget to include your affiliate link. Make sure it's easy to find and click on. Consistency is key on Pinterest, but who has time to be pinning 24/7? That's where a scheduling tool like Tailwind comes in handy. Tailwind lets you schedule your pins in advance, so you can batch create a bunch of pins and have them go out automatically at optimal times. Speaking of optimal times, pay attention to when your audience is most active on Pinterest. Pinning at the right times means more people will see and engage with your content. Adjust your pinning schedule, try different pin designs, and experiment with different keywords to see what gets the best results. Once you've got your Pinterest strategy up and running, it's time to put on your data analyst hat and see how everything's performing. Your Amazon Associates dashboard shows you how many clicks your affiliate links are getting, how many sales you're making, and how much commission you're earning. Track everything. See which products are performing well, which pins are getting the most clicks, and what time of day is bringing in the most sales. The more data you collect, the better you can optimize your strategy for maximum earnings. There you have it, guys. That's how you can leverage the power of Pinterest to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links and start generating some sweet, sweet passive income. Remember, success on Pinterest takes time and effort. Just keep creating awesome content, promoting killer products, and engaging with your audience. Stay consistent, track your progress, and watch your income grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, keep hustling and I'll see you in the next one.